If your Wi-Fi router name is not showing or if it's not available on your iPhone after the last iOS update, don't worry. If you're having trouble connecting to Wi-Fi on your phone, here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot the issue. Solution 1. Restart your device. Giving a simple restart can solve your problem. Now this doesn't work, follow the next process. Solution 2. Remove Wi-Fi data. Open Setting, tap Wi-Fi, tap Edit, enter your passcode, remove all the information. Now turn off your Wi-Fi for 10 seconds. After that, turn it back on. Solution 3. Restart the Wi-Fi setting. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode. Tap Reset All Settings again. If none of these steps work, there may be an issue with your iPhone's hardware and you should consider contacting Apple support or visiting an Apple store for further assistance. Now, if you still have anything to ask, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.